Nellie's Nook. My name is Nellie and I want to share with you today how to do shadow cut and fold in book folding patterns. So I'm working on this one and I just wanted to, before I finish it up, I just wanted to use this book as an example to show you how certain patterns might not be working the way that we want it. It's a beautiful pattern actually. It's this one. However, I wanted to repurpose the book because I tried another pattern and it was not working for me, and this one is a beautiful 700 pages book. So I wanted to kind of repurpose it and see if I can use it for something else and if it will work. However, it will work. It would work if I wouldn't do my 180 fold that deep. Most of the time, as you can see, I fold until the white edges finish. Sorry, my English is not the best, but I'll try to explain it. As you can see, each book has a different size of edging. Okay? And let's say this book is actually wonderful because it has about almost an inch, which is 2.4 centimeters to fold. So this one would be a wonderful actually because you can fold it until you see the lettering. Okay, so you have a pretty nice deep fold over here. Some of the books, as this one, does not have as a wide edges, so you can see that over here I have only probably 1.3 centimeters, which is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/8, half an inch for folding. So just because I messed up on my first attempt with a different pattern, I thought I will, I can fold it a little bit deeper and utilize the book. However, as you can see, the pattern doesn't show very well until I started to, this is my training book, until I started to color a little bit. And just because it has so many letters, it takes from the pattern. So this would be wonderful with only a fold until you reach that end of the white edge. So the whites would be coming out and all black would be showing up as a shadow or silhouettes of the pattern. So we will see how that goes. So I showed you in my last video how to calculate the starting page. So I have a starting page already. I started and I wanted to show you how to do the shadow fold. This book has a lot of pages, so it's difficult to hold it together. So what I do, I just put a rubber band and connect it to another book, usually my test books, because you mess up, when you try patterns and just learning, you mess up things, but you just use it for something else. That's wonderful. So this way my book doesn't go anywhere. And to hold my pages when I work, I bought in a dollar store like a big clips, which they are absolutely wonderful to hold my book together when I work. And they are big enough to hold it. I'm getting to the end of it, but it still holds some of my pages. So we have a shadow fold. As you can see in the pattern, it will show you that's what it is. It has a number of pages, 715 pages. I have a 23 centimeters height of the book, and it's a shadow cut and fold. Now let's go. I will show you how to cut the pattern. Okay. Just because I did the 180-degree fold, I don't know if you can see it, it's probably not. I have a little dot over here that I marked before I started before I started to fold. So what I did, I created like a little piece of cardboard from Kleenexes, and I put a little pieces over here so it stops in front of my book, and I marked the depth. Usually this is my 1 centimeter fold, but I choose for this book a little bit over 2 centimeters, and I marked. You have to make sure that it's end of the, touches the page, and you just mark where the book will fold. Okay, and you do that on every page in your book. So I usually do that first when the book is, fresh and crisp, and I just mark every single page where it's supposed to fold. Then what I do, I take my measuring tape and I actually put my ruler over here and I fold it. What you can also do, I created this, so you can do the same thing, because I did it a lot of times, and it's a wonderful tool, cheap, you don't have to do anything. Again, from the cardboard, and I put little pieces over here so it stops, it doesn't go anywhere. And you can put it on your marker here, where my marker is, and just fold over. When you fold it, take it out, make sure that it's aligned, the edges are aligned on each side, and hold it in the middle, and then just make it crisp, which is nice fold, and then your whole book will be crisp. Now you can measure your measurements over here. So I'm on the page 637, so it will be 10.3, and I make a little mark, just because it's there's so much text, so I have to make a bigger mark so I can see it. So 11.2, 13.1, and 13.3. Okay, take my scissors, I'll cut them straight as I can, and then I just fold them back. I don't, in this case, I don't measure how far I go, I just do it to the end, just because I will be coloring it, so you won't see it. So that's my page. And now when I have a skip over here, 639, again I'll take my little tool and I put it on my marker. I'll fold my page, hold it in the middle so it doesn't go anywhere, because sometimes it likes to slide. And that 639 page we will just fold, and that's it. So now we have 641, sorry. So I'll put my beautiful tool in here, just make sure that it's all aligned with the bottom of the book, and I fold it over here. Just make sure there is a line on the top and the bottom, and just fold. And now I have 641. So 641 has 10.3, 11.1, 13, and 13.2. We cut them. And then just fold them to the back. and the page 643. Sorry, 643. We will just fold because that's a skip. That's not a cutting page. Again, fold it in the middle so it folds evenly, and that's it. And you continue with your pattern with the shadow fold like this until the end of the book. So I hope you will like it, and the next one I will show you how to color the book, and hopefully we can see the pattern better than what we can see right now. But the next one, I would recommend if you buy this pattern, and if you decide to do fold, you don't have to, but if you decide to do the fold, then just do the max up to the edge of your text, and it will be beautiful and white, and I think you will see the patterns much better than what I did over here. So hope you like it, and I will talk to you again soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.